Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. We have the eufy X8 Pro on the left and the Eureka E10s on the right. Two titans of tidiness, ready to duke it out for the crown of the cleanest. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be a vacuum showdown for the ages. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. Eufy X8 Pro comes in at a wallet-squeezing $649. But don't worry, it's not just sucking up your money, it's also sucking up your dirt. On the other hand, we have the Eureka E10s, priced slightly higher at $699. For that extra $50, Eureka promises to make your life easier. But let's see if it lives up to the hype or if it's just blowing hot air. Both vacuums boast a 45-day hands-free cleaning feature. Eufy X8 Pro empties its dustbin into a 2.5L station. So if you're tired of emptying that dustbin every other day, this might be your new best friend. Eureka E10s also promises 45 days of mess-free cleaning. But wait, it does it bagless. That's right, no more splurging on dust bags. Eureka says you could save up to $70 a year. So more money for pizza, right? Now, let's get down to the dirty business. Suction power. Eufy X8 Pro boasts a twin turbine system with a whopping 8,000 pascals suction power. That's like having a tiny tornado in your living room. Eureka E10s, not to be outdone, also packs a punch with 4,000 pascals suction power. It's like a vacuum on steroids. But the question is, does size really matter? We'll let you be the judge of that. Let's talk brains. Eufy X8 Pro comes with iPath laser navigation, creating precise maps of your home to avoid obstacles and clean every nook and cranny. It's like having a tiny, meticulous butler. Eureka E10s steps up with precision LiDAR navigation. This thing is like a robot ninja, dodging obstacles and cleaning corners with PSD technology. It's almost like it's training for the Robot Olympics. Eufy X8 Pro has a customizable AI Map 2.0, allowing you to set no-go zones and virtual boundaries. So if you don't want it to eat your cat's food, you can make sure it steers clear. Eureka E10s goes the extra mile with a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo. It can detect carpets and lift the mop to avoid making a soggy mess. Plus, it has dual brush heads for larger coverage. It's like a Swiss Army knife of vacuums. Both vacuums come with full customized app control. Eufy's app lets you manage your zones and schedule cleanings. It's like having a personal assistant, minus the attitude. Eureka's app does all that and more. You can customize multi-cleaning settings, set no-go zones, and even schedule cleaning times. It's like having a robot butler who listens to you. Imagine that. Finally, battery life. Eufy X8 Pro doesn't specify its runtime, but it promises to get the job done without constant recharges. Eureka E10s boasts an impressive 180 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. That's like 3 hours of non-stop tidying. It's like the Energizer Bunny of robot vacuums. Reviewers say the Eufy X8 Pro excels in suction power and navigation, with users praising its user-friendly app and efficient cleaning patterns. However, some users have reported issues with battery life over time. The Eureka E10s, on the other hand, is highly regarded for its mopping function and Bagless Self Emptying Station. Reviewers appreciate its powerful suction and navigation capabilities, but some have noted that the water and dust containers fill up quickly. So there you have it, folks. The Eufy X8 Pro and the Eureka E10s, two robot vacuums that pack a punch. Whether you want the twin tornado suction of the eufy or the multitasking prowess of the Eureka, the choice is yours. Let us know in the comments which one you think wins the vacuum more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our latest reviews. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.